Okay. Um, I know of this tool from Snap-on that you can thread into European style lug bolts, or I guess Dodge does it now too, but this is what I do. Put it on the bottom one, put it in the bottom hole here all the way, and then you kind of lift, push it on. And it's that easy. Whoa. I hope this was helpful. That's way easier. Either way, this is just a 3/8 extension. Go all the way through the rotor into the threads, and try not to put any sideways force on it once you're in the threads. Otherwise, you might mess them up. You probably mess up this extension first. Mastercraft. That's probably like Harbor Freight for you guys who go there. Look at this awesome body work. Oh yeah. ML320. Nice car.